What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Nice Garage. I want to show you what I'm working on. So, ordered from Summit the set of MSD coils from my truck. I had these valve covers down in the garage. So it's a Holley 241-91 and an MSD 82648 coil pack. And the coils are for direct replacement for a 99 to 09 Chevy truck, I believe SUV also. But what I did with these with these valve covers, or I shouldn't say what I did, but I wanted to put them on my truck that I'm building, my 94. But for now, I think I'm going to put them on my 02 to use them, so they're not sitting around. These valve covers require a coil with spacing between the holes of 72 millimeter. Okay, let me see if I can find one to show you guys what it looks like here. Not bolted down. Okay, so here's the coil for a truck. You can see the wiring goes in the top. The spark plug wire comes out of the bottom. It mounts vertically, parallel with those wire connections. And again, 72 millimeter spacing, which it didn't specify that in the Summit's website for these coils. I just hoped, I bought them for my truck, and then I figured, what the heck, I have these valve covers, let me see if they fit. And they do. The spacing is 72 millimeter. Now, Summit sells an ARP bolt kit, a black oxide and stainless steel with nice polished $65 or a minimum of $50. I think one kit was, and the other kit was $65. And I thought, well, that seems awfully expensive for a set of bolts. So I went to Fastenal, and I got lock washers. There's the part number at. It's a metric M6. And a bag of bolts, M6-1 by 25 long, stainless steel socket head cap screw. So you get 25 of the bolts, and 100 washers cost me $10. So it's a no-brainer. Put them together, they screw down. I don't think I'll need any Loctite or anything like that because I'm using a lock washer, and I probably could have got away with a regular washer, but I figured, what the heck. So I'll be getting to putting these on my truck, but I just wanted to give you guys a video of the product and putting it together. Now, if you have any questions or comments, give me a call. I'm sorry, can't give me a call. But you can leave them, and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks, bye.